Greetings, my lovely people. Greetings to Chris Kringle and TBC community. These greetings also go to the whole world and the administrative of the TBC. My greetings goes to all of them. My today's broadcast is just it's a general. What I would like to say today is that I think the bonus, Christmas bonus, is given out from the TBC admin to the members of the TBC community. I think everybody is enjoying it. Those who are investing in it, those who are invested in the TBC. I hope everybody is enjoying it. So big thanks, big thanks go to Chris Kringle. Why am I saying this? And the same time, the big thanks go to those who are planning this TBC. Big thanks go to all of them. And they say TBC is a abundant based cryptocurrency. What does that mean? When they say abundant base, I'll come back to you again. I'll ask you a question. Be thinking about it. And I call somebody. I say Chris Kringle. Yeah, who is the creator of the TBC? I want somebody to tell me. This is about a small exam, but I'll tell you. Yeah, what I want everybody to know is that TBC community is still giving out bonuses to those who are buying TBC, those who are investing in TBC. You see, admin, TBC admin, and the planning committee, or they are very good. I may say it, they are very good. And they are doing everything possible to help people move from poverty to rich. Yes. And I'm also, as I'm here, I'm also happy that I'm one of the billionaires in TBC community. Yeah, TBC make me rich. And Chris Kringle and his colleagues make me rich. Now, when they say TBC is abundant based cryptocurrency, something which they name that abundant based cryptocurrency mean it will never end. It will last forever until the end of the world. And that is how TBC is called abundant based cryptocurrency. So something which come and it will never end until the end of the world, then what are you going to say about this? It means it's good. It is good. It is good for us to invest. It is abundant based cryptocurrency. It will never end. It will last forever. That is why they name it abundant based cryptocurrency. And then who is the creator of TBC? Once again, I'm asking you a question. Who is that good man or who is that good person who brought this idea? But people may be thinking to know him or the creator of this TBC. But you know why he is difficult to see? some of the people, they don't like good things, so they always hate those bring good things. That is why it should be hide until everything come in very well, or we are successful, until TBC is totally successfully, before you can know this creator of this TBC. Do you know why? Some of the people, when they see that somebody brought an idea which will overcome theirs, they will find every means to kill that person, or they will attack the person, or they will do everything to that person, so that the good thing the person brought will not can never continue, so that they will like to be doing their own, their own that they have, or maybe they brought something. Maybe let's assume I brought some business, and I see that somebody also bring a new one, and the new one that the person is bringing is advanced than mine. I have to find every means to collapse the second one, so that mine can continue. That is why you can never see the creator of this TBC until TBC is successful the whole world. Their mission, their visions, everything come true before you can see this creator. What is the name of creator? Or who is this creator of TBC? I'll tell you. What I want to tell you is that this TBC, I see a future for it. I want you to try this time and invest. TBC community, admin, they never tell lies. So they say they are giving out Christmas bonus. It is true that they are giving it out. They say if you buy some, you fill the form, and the seller will approve it for you, and you will get your bonus. Why is it all this? Because they want you to be rich. They want you also to get something. Now, as TBC is costing, you can never buy, you can't take money to buy the coin, one coin. So they want also you also to get something. So I just want to remind you that the bonus they pledge, they are giving it out. You, as those who are buying it, so I want you also to benefit this bonus, because I don't know the time. Maybe this will be the last time for this bonus. I don't know. Who knows tomorrow? TBC all the way. Go and sign up. Sign up. You, the person who didn't sign up, didn't get some of the TBC. You go and sign up at the Kringle back office. You request for your information there. You come, you verify your account in your email. After that, you register your account at the tbc009.net. I want you to get something, because I know what is going on. I smell it, and I can feel it, and I can see what is happening. So I'm not deceiving you. I'm telling you the truth. So run quickly now and go and get some. Go and get some of the Kringle, when the Kris Kringle idea that he brought to deliver people out of the poverty. Go for it. My brother, my friend, my sister, the whole world. What are you waiting for? What are you still waiting? I want you to join this community so that we can all reach together we can all move together. TBC all the way. TBC is the refuge. Only through TBC you can be free from the poverty. Let me ask you, is there any richest man in your community which can take all of his money to you, or which can give all of his money to you, or divided the money into two equal parts and give to you? That person wants him alone to be a richest, so that all the time you be coming and saluting for him, you be coming and begging for him or her, so that they can give you a little. But this TBC community or TBC admin or Kris Kringle want to make you rich, so that you can also be counted in your community. You know, everywhere now, if you don't have money, you will not be counted. They will not respect you. But this TBC community want to make you rich, respectfully in your community, so that people can respect you. I'm telling you the truth. Because now, if TBC get to the point, the place that TBC is moving to, if they reach there, I'm sure that those millionaires in my community, they will also come to me one day. They will also see me that I'm richer than them. And my community also will see it. So I want you to come and join this TBC community. Now, who is the creator of this Kringle? Kris Kringle is the creator of this TBC. Try and get some of TBC Kringle coin. TBC, oh, TBC, all the time, TBC. Thank you.